Ladies and gentlemen, gather round because today, we're talking about a tiny house that's got more personality than my neighbor Doug after 3 cups of espresso, and that's saying something. Meet the Calliope, a 34-foot-long, 8.6-foot wide beauty from Mint Tiny House Company that's redefining what it means to live large in a small space. And let me tell you, this thing's got more hidden tricks than my friend Larry's Tinder profile. Before we dive into the velvet sofas, butcher block counters, and ladders that moonlight as gym equipment, do us a favor, hit that subscribe button like you're swatting a fly in a tiny kitchen. Because trust me, you don't want to miss any of the madness we uncover here on CampAvto. Now, back to Calliope. This 386 square foot, 35.9 square meters, home sits on a triple-axle trailer and is basically a luxury apartment disguised as a minimalist cabin. The LP SmartSide lap siding, black trims, and a slick metal roof make it look like the tiny home equivalent of James Bond, refined but ready for action. I think what I liked the most was how it comfortably sleeps 6 to 8 people. That's right, 8 humans. I've seen RVs that struggle to fit 4 and a cat. The main floor bedroom feels like something from a real house, 2 big windows, nightstands, and even space to do a little morning yoga if you're that type. I am not. Then you've got not 1, but 2 full-size lofts accessed by ladders. I believe the designers skipped stairs to save space, but also maybe to test your leg day commitment. These lofts can fit queen beds and come with big windows so you don't wake up feeling like you're in a cupboard under the stairs. Now the kitchen, chef's kiss. L-shaped, loads of counter space, apron sink, and butcher block countertops. It's got enough room to meal prep or host a pancake eating contest. I know because I tried it, lost to a 12-year-old, but that's another story. All this glory comes at a base price of $100,453 around 93,000 euros, or 135,500 Canadian dollars. Honestly, for 3 bedrooms, stylish interiors, and full-blown off-grid potential, that's not a bad deal. I think it's the ideal tiny house for families who want to live smarter, not smaller. And if you're thinking of living tiny but fabulous, or you just want to climb a ladder to bed every night like a grown-up treehouse fan, this might be your dream setup.